What about the people out here?
Everyone's very friendly, always willing to find out. Everyone always seems to want to know where you're from and what your background is. They're all...
Have you got to know anybody?
No, not really, because you're always on the road. Like, we turn up to a town, you meet people, then within a week you're off to the next town. You never stop anywhere long enough to make friends or keep in contact with anyone, because we're always just living on the road. That's all we are. Just 2 weeks in a town and you're off to the next spot, wherever that may take you. Different things.
Women?
They are nearly non-existent over it. If there is anything half decent around, then you've got to fight for about 50 men out. Yeah.
As the season comes to a close, 4 of the Frederick machines have returned to Kansas to make a start on the autumn crops, leaving 6 at Minot to finish up the wheat. If the weather holds and the dew stays off, then 3 days' work should allow the men to finish up and head south. So both bosses start to pile on the hours.